Everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And if you are sleeping in a hammock and you're uncomfortable because it's windy and it's wild out there, then you need to upgrade your outdoor setup with this game-changing hammock from Lullable. This here is a upgraded hammock with a net for mosquitoes, and it'll keep you fully enclosed to stay out of that wind. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do this review. But this here is going to be great for hiking, camping, or anyone that just loves spending time in the backyard to take a nap. This has got an integrated mosquito net design. Most hammocks leave you fumbling with a separate bug net, but this one here uses an aviation grade aluminum support rod to create this massive breathable dome. It keeps the mesh off your face and the bugs completely out while maintaining an amazing air circulation. It's made from a heavy-duty 70D parachute nylon, which is completely smooth and super soft, but also very strong because it can support up to 600 pounds. So whether you're going solo or you even want to share this space, because surprisingly, this here is roomy at 118 inches long. And what I love most is that this is the portability. You can see here that this thing can roll up. It comes with its own carrying bag. It's got the straps, the carabiners, the poles, you name it. It's all included. So it's easy to throw into another bag to carry if you're camping and hiking. And again, the quality of this is just really great and super durable. You can see here the carabiners, everything is like double stitched. So really overall great quality in this. So if you want a durable, bug-free, incredible, spacious place to recharge on your next trip, then I highly recommend picking this up. You'll find that this hammock here will be your go-to hammock.